Hey YouTube, RC Lego guy here. I finished the beer can DIY build. Looks good. We'll do some testing and then do a flight. All lit up. Got the servos down. Everything's working. We'll do some testing around and how well it does before a maiden flight. But as you can see, ailerons work, rudder, the elevator, and prop is working. Stay tuned. All right, doing some testing. Not level, but we'll see. Pretty much goes in circles. Whoop. Might have. I'm only at like 10% throttle and it's moving it. This might actually fly. We will see.